Hi guys, have you ever foraged before? If not, please follow me. If you're coming in Amalfi Coast, please join our gastronomic trekking. You see some piece where the wall is. Gastronomic trekking is the possibility of enjoying this land from the food point of view. Following wild animals, I will show you one of the most authentic experiences in Amalfi Coast. We walk around, we discover an amazing place where it's possible to forage wild animals. I will guide you in understanding what is edible and what is not edible.
Cheers. So bad. Today was great. We didn't know what to expect when we first walked up. We were able to experience the ingredients of the land and then have them prepared and cooked, and you got to taste the experience of the land, which I think is something different than you would get anywhere else.
We're also in a group of wonderful people, and you don't get to experience that every single day. Different cultures, different backgrounds, combined with eating from the land. It was incredible.
It was great. This is probably the freshest meal you'll ever have in your life.
We highly recommend it. The farm is beautiful, and we've been curious about terrace farming, and we were actually able to come and experience the food that we picked from a terrace farm, so it was really special.
Giacomo was able to share his local knowledge, and we learned a lot about foraging for herbs that we didn't know we could eat, and then we were able to prepare them here and with this great view, and yeah, it was something we'll remember for a lifetime for sure.
Yeah, I think definitely, and we're both very interested in agriculture, so I think doing something like this, you learn a lot. Yeah, exactly. It was very authentic and a very
Good Italian experience.
Yeah, very kind of the traditional way of making it, and the pesto. It was really great, and yeah, once again, it was awesome to meet everyone, all the people on this tour. So yeah, highly recommend it.
Thanks, guys.